Hello dear students. Today we will start median under the chapter statistics. So first of all, what is median? Median is used to give the middle values in a set of data. So when any set of data is given and we want to find out the middle value, then we will use median. So how to find the median when the data is ungrouped? Means when the data is raw data, then what will we do? First of all, we will make it array data. Means first of all we will make it ascending order or descending order. Afterwards we will see if the number of observations are suppose odd. If n is odd, n means number of observations, then we will use this formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 over 2th observation. So you will more understand this formula if I will you explain one sum also. Exercise 1C, first question, find the median of the following. So first of all, this data is given. We will make it in ascending or descending. So here I have made ascending order. So this is ascending order. Afterwards we will see how number of terms, how much means n. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5. So median is n plus 1 over 2th term. So this formula we will use here because n is 5, odd number, that's why. So when we will put n value 5 plus 1 over 2, it will come 6 over 2 means third term. Now we will see which is the third term in the data. First, second, third. This is the third term and you can see this is the median, mid value of the given data. So that means median is 5 answer. Now you will see when n is even, means number of data is even number, then this formula we will use n over 2th term plus n over 2 plus 1. Means if it is 5th term, then it is 6th term. And we will take the mean of these both terms, divide by 2. Now third part of first question, this is the data given and first of all we will arrange in ascending order or descending. Don't forget this step, ascending or descending. Afterwards we will see what is n there. Number of terms, you will count, it will be 10. So number of terms are 10. Now this is even number. Now we will use formula. This formula we will use here. Okay. So n over 2 means 10 over 2 means 5th term plus 6th term over 2. What is the 5th term here? First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 11 and 6th term also 11. So 11 plus 11 over 2 and you will get 11. So median is 11 and if you will check here you can see median is our 11 answer. Now further other parts of the first question you try yourself. Okay. Now further we will see how to find median of a frequency distribution. So here frequency will be also given. Then how to find median? So first of all you will arrange data in ascending order. Afterwards you will prepare a cumulative frequency table. Okay. And total frequency we will suppose that is n. And afterwards you will see if n is odd then this formula will be used and if n is even then this formula will be used. Now how to use this formula I will explain the sum, then you will more understand. And now this is our question, fourth question of exercise 1C. Here you can see frequency is also given. So this type of questions we will make the cumulative frequency table. So already you can see data is in ascending order. Now the cumulative frequency table how to make? First of all weight you will write whatever is given. Afterwards number of students. It is called frequency also. This is given. And when you will add all these frequencies you will get n and that is 56. Now how to make cumulative frequency? Learn this how to make. First of all this 12 we will write as it is. Afterwards 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 4, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. So last we will get 56 only, whatever the frequency is there. Now you will see if our n is even. This you can see frequency is even, then which formula we will use? We will use this formula. Okay. So afterwards, how to put the values in the formula? Here value of n over 2th term means n means 56. 56 over 2 means 28th term, and value of 29th term. Now what is the value of 28th term? You will see here. This is 28 and in front of the value is 50. So you will write here 50 and 29th this term, and that is 51. So 28 to 38 all terms are having the term 51. Okay. So 29th also 51. So you will add and get the answer 50.5 kg. Now if n is odd, then how to do this example? You can see here, you can see same we have done, cumulative frequency we have made, and our n is 43, that is odd. So when n is odd, we will use this method only. Value of n plus 1 over 2th student, that is 43 plus 1, 44 over 2, 22. We will see what is the value of 22nd student, and this is 22, and in front of whatever 49 kg is our answer. So like this way, second and third question also you will try yourself and complete your exercise 1C. Thank you. Have a nice day.